Hey, what's up everybody? This is Guillermo Auto. This is a Weedwhacker I bought in 2017. I just want to show you some common issues. I actually did a whole disassembly video, but my video file got corrupted. So all I got now is just some tips. But anyways, if you're having issues, first make sure the basics are good. Make sure you have this spring on this cap. Then you want to make sure that this black thing, you want to make sure it spins, but it locks. You don't want it to spin freely. It should spin like this, but it should stop. If it doesn't stop, you're missing a little plastic part in here. I'll show you. Mine was missing, and that's why I had to look around. Also, make sure you're always on the gear side with that in. This little guy fell out either when I was restringing or weed whacking, but someone found it in the grass and gave it back to me. But basically, I had this in here, and it was just spinning freely like this, and it was not working right at all. So it shouldn't spin freely. And I took the whole thing apart to try to figure out where this went, and I just finally figured it out like a dummy. It's right in the front. But so I'll show you how it goes. So if yours is missing, you can go look where you were weed whacking. There's a little plastic stud here. This goes on it, and it sits like this. You want to make sure that that's in there. Make sure you always have the gear side down in here. And make sure when you string it, you always string it in the direction of the arrow on this plastic gear. Look, I'll show you right here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's an arrow imprinted on this, and you always string it into that direction. So when you string it, you'll go that direction. And then, you come out the hole right here. And then here's the spring. Make sure you have the spring. Make sure this goes on. I have a video on how to string it. I could put a link to it in the description. But yeah, just make sure you got these sides lined up too. The black gear has holes that match up with the holes on the side for these plastic tabs to go into. And that's it.